How to get the App Store app back on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Here, you can get insights about your screen time and set limits as needed. Adults can also set parental controls for a child's device. You can also get insights about your personal screen time and set limits as needed. Now, scroll down to the Restrictions section and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Here, you can manage content, apps, and settings. Go to iTunes and App Store Purchases at the top. And then, tap on Installing Apps. Here, select Allow. Now, go to the App Library on your home screen and search for the App Store application. Once you find it, press and hold the app and drag it to your home screen. Following these steps, you can easily get the App Store app back on iPhone.